In a world where classic cars are revered for their timeless charm, one vehicle stands in need of revival. Today, we embark on a journey to restore the legendary Citroen to CV to its former glory. Once a symbol of French automotive ingenuity, now weathered by the passage of time. But beneath the rust lies the potential for resurrection. With precision and determination, we begin the process of stripping away the years of neglect. Even as we confront the challenges of rust and decay, we press forward, uncovering the secrets hidden beneath the surface. For every flaw, there is a chance for renewal. As the sun sets on another day of restoration, we reflect on the journey ahead. With each step, we bring the Citroen to CV closer to its former glory. Join us next time as we continue this restoration adventure.